Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the unbelievable health benefits of watermelon this summer. Watermelon is a delicious and refreshing fruit that is packed with nutrients. It is also a great way to stay hydrated during the hot summer months. Benefits of watermelon: hydration. Watermelon is made up of 92% water, which makes it a great way to stay hydrated. Hydration is important for overall health and well-being, and it is especially important during the hot summer months. Weight loss. Watermelon is a low-calorie fruit that is high in fiber. This makes it a great choice for people who are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Heart health. Watermelon contains lycopene, an antioxidant that has been linked to a decreased risk of heart disease. Lycopene helps to protect the heart by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Blood pressure. Watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that helps to relax blood vessels. This can help to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Cancer prevention. Watermelon contains antioxidants that help to fight free radicals. Free radicals can damage cells and lead to cancer. Watermelon may help to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as prostate cancer and lung cancer. Eye health. Watermelon is a good source of vitamin A, which is important for eye health. Vitamin A helps to protect the eyes from damage and can help to prevent age-related eye diseases such as macular degeneration and cataracts. Immune system support. Watermelon is a good source of vitamin C, which is an important nutrient for the immune system. Vitamin C helps the body fight off infection and can help to prevent colds and other illnesses. As you can see, watermelon is a very healthy fruit that has many benefits. It is a great way to stay hydrated, lose weight, improve heart health, lower blood pressure, prevent cancer, improve eye health, and support the immune system. So next time you are looking for a healthy and refreshing snack, reach for a slice of watermelon. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips.